Here I will be showing you how to make a 3D art design using Kirigami art. Select a design and trace it on two sheets. If you want, you can give numbers to each part this way so that while pasting the cutout, it will be easy for you to find out and paste it. This is optional. Using a nice cutter, cut out the design from one sheet. After completing all the coloring and pasting part, we are supposed to keep the Kirigami sheet on top of the base sheet to get a 3D effect. Now, take a new sheet and place the Kirigami sheet on top of this and trace the cutout part. Draw the outline this way so that the size of the cutout will be bigger. We are keeping the size bigger so that the pieces can be pasted easily on the Kirigami sheet. Now, color this design using various shades. Kirigami is the Japanese art technique of cutting and folding paper into a beautiful design or object. In traditional Kirigami art, the design is made from a single sheet of paper. But modern art uses different colored papers also. Kirigami is the variation of origami. In Japanese, kiri means cut and kami means paper. Instead of coloring, you can even use colored papers of different shades cut into this shape. Cut this white part and make a neat border. For a 3D effect, paste the lighter shade cutouts on the Kirigami sheet from behind and the darker shades on the base sheet. In this way, some cutout will be pasted on the Kirigami sheet and some will be on the base sheet. Now we are going to add a 3D effect to this. For this I have cut out pieces as shown here. You can even use quilling papers for this. Apply glue on the edges and paste it like this on the borders. To maintain balance, I have pasted some pieces on kirigami sheet from behind and the others on the base sheet. After completing this work, we are going to paste this kirigami sheet on top of the base sheet. So that we have to maintain the balance, the side should also be pasted using any paper. Here I am using newspapers. Newspapers are rolled and pasted here. The width of the newspaper roll should be equal to the width of the quilling papers which you used here. If you want to color the border, you can color it. I decided to color it later. If you want to color the borders, you can do this before pasting the cutouts. That will be easier. Now apply glue and paste both the sheets. Your 3D art is ready now. If you enjoy this, please like and subscribe to my channel for other videos.